and go down there, wine and go down there. Costa Rica, the queen of dancehall is here. Meet me at Bungalows tonight. You don't know the thing, go. Look around.
It's light, right?
I did that shit.
It's light.
A 33-foot rope or 30. That's it.
Stop playing with her. See what I'm saying? This is Black Girl Magic. We always come up with ideas and things. This is the creativity. Balenciaga, you better sign.
This piece was plain, so you know what we did? We just use the rope and just tighten a little harness look and give it a little cut so the body can be out. You understand? So
Black Girl Magic.
Black Girl Magic. And this
Alright, Tahiri, so tell me about Black Girl Magic. So this piece right here, come now. Come. This piece.
Yes, right.
Tell me about Black Girl Magic.
Yes.
This piece was plain. Her. Balenciaga!
I'm here trying to figure out how I really feel about this wig.